Hi, welcome to Scrappin' Rabbit. This is Christine. I finished another book folding project, and this one is for Mother's Day. So here's the outside cover. Now, because the covers were badly damaged on the book, I ended up making some new covers for it, and then I took the pages and I attached them inside. So this is a cover that I made. I made this with chipboard. And I've got some beautiful scrapbook paper on here that says beautiful, ambitious, tough, and then it says love. There's a little butterfly here, and I made some little flowers out of fabric and I attached a button center, little pearls here, and I've got some trim on the edge, and then I left the back plain. And I put a little bit of lace on the inside. And here's the word Mom with the folded paper. I really like the way this came out. And I've got a little ribbon here that holds the project closed like that. And then I've got another large flower that I attached to the top, and I can still squish this a little bit, but it's meant to just stay like that. And then here's a little butterfly that I attached on the inside. And I had lined the inside of the paper of the project with some scrapbook paper. So I really like the way that this turned out. It's a lot of fun to do. And like I said in my last video, if you search book folding on YouTube, you'll see some videos that show different projects, and as well as tutorials on how to fold books. So I hope you like this. I'll be listing it in my Etsy shop as a Mother's Day gift. Have a nice day. Happy scrapping. Bye.